Kukuruku crispy chicken. Basta na bagaimana yan?
Oh, kukuruku. Ayan na, kukuruku.
Basta na bagay.
Northland.
Gasis.
Kaibigan ko mayroon.
Rafael Bayan. Selisa, 2 points. Castillo, libre, 2 points. Number 8, Castillo. Laro-laro lang po tayo. Laro-laro lang. De La Cruz, 2 behind. De La Cruz. To Selisa. Selisa to De La Cruz. Nice pass. Yes, foul. Foul number 8, Castillo. Second personal foul. Second team foul. ATR Basketball would like to welcome Kukuruku Crispy Chicken. Yan na po si Mangria. Hindi na po ng Mangria, free taste daw, Mangria. Free taste. Ayun, meron po. Welcome po, Mangria. Yung coupon ko nasa likod. Brought to you by Kukuruku Crispy Chicken. Located at Northland Mall, Malboro Mall. Coach sus Falcons. Alberta De La Cruz, okay? Happy kami. First foul on number 10, De La Cruz. Carpio. Number 2 by Carpio. De La Cruz, 6 minutes 29, Ramil Maya, Edison! Chan Binay, 4-2! Carpio. Carpio, rebound by Maya. Janai. Down pass. Belgis. Ini Edison. Edison the power man. Ready na po yung sasab. De Leon. Ramil Maya. Edson. De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Selisa. Nice pass. Substitution. ATR Basketball would like to welcome Puruku, Crispy Chicken. Welcome Maria Balon. Open now at Northland Drive, Northwest. And now bottom up. Nick Diaz. Commissioner Edgar Bruna, pass to Valbuena. Valbuena to KS. Back shot to the right by KS.
Una.
Edgar Bruna nagmamadali. Commissioner. Nick 3 seconds violation. 3. Warning on number 1. Warning on number 1.
Kuku. Ayan. Chicken. Kaya kuku.
Sa foul.
Nakripa siya. Parang kalapati.
Foul number 15, Arce.
Sarap yan.
Arce, second foul. 13 foul for Alex Briones. Cardona and Cardona. For 3. Wala naman by Valbuena. Minutes 40. And Cardona. Valbuena. Cardona. 46, Panabol game. 46. Panabol game between Alex Briones and Unity Basketball. KS libre. Sana Alex Briones. This timeout is brought to you by Kuku Crispy Chicken. ATR Basketball would like to thank Safe Haven, Flooring and Development.
Malapit na maging sponsor to.
And also our sponsor.
Malapit na maging sponsor to ng
Thank you,
Achiever.
Rian.
Achiever.
Balon. Kuku Crispy Chicken.
Kunin natin sponsor ng
Try na
Achiever.
po natin to. Huwag na po natin pagtagalin. Hello. Back to the ball game. Bossing. Now we're starting for the third quarter and the remaining time is 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Oh, number 33 dribbling the ball. Give to Arce at the side. Keep to the Hirosha. Yes! For Nenuloya. Hirap magbitin. All 14, it's a deadlock. It's a deadlock. Cardona. Capuna!
Malapit na. Ano mo alam nyo? Malapit na.
Starting the play, number 23, for 3. No good this time. Followed by number 000. Lobos pass. No good. Rebound by number 18. To number 13. Oh, foul. Foul on number 33. Relax. Game lang to, laro lang muna. Huwag naman padala sa emotion. Pero 40 again! No good this time! It's a Michael, center referee, Mr. Jeff. Remaining time, 57 seconds. 57 seconds. Number 12, Pagkakara, number 11, Dick. To number 13, once again, Brazil. To play number 3 again. Nugget is coming. Rebound. Almost perfect. Darcy. Darcy, giving it pass. Good. What a play by Mr. Russell. Puna. Good play by Puna. Oh. Para Puna. Second to go. Good to Lopez. Lopez. Pass. Good. Easy basket. Puna. Again. Nugget. Oh, Marina. 20 seconds. 18 seconds. 18. Lopez. Three-pointer shot. No good. Follow up by Arce. Arce. Dilabas ang bola. Tinidea. Fake. Drop C. Tinidea. Pass. No good. 4, 3, 2, 1. And of the third quarter, entering with the fourth quarter. Our score is 52-58. In favor of Alex Briones, yellow team, 1 point only. Kaya-kaya, wala match up. Relax lang po tayo, laro-laro lang to.
Relax lang kayo. Relax lang kayo. Sabi
Magrilan
ko.
kaya yung mga pineda. Okay. Magkakaroon tayo ng warning pagka masyadong mainit at thrown out. Paalala lang po. Magkakaroon tayo ng thrown out dito pagka nagkainitan. Base, boss. Base. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. The power five of Unity, number 27, number 23, number 7, number 12, and number 11 for Bema. And for the yellow, Scarpio, Ali, number 21 and 28, and Castillo. Cordova, setting the play. To Edison, to Cordova for 3. Cristo. Viva the number 21. Scarpio for 3. Cristo, rebound by Castillo. Natapos bola na puta number 27. Pass. Negative time. Labas. Ferguson, break. Pagkakala po 3. Nag-given by number 12. Kabaya. Kabaya to Edison. To behind Nago. To Arce. Ay. Foul on number 7 of Blue. Edison. Second personal foul. First team jumper at the side, no good. Given by Cabaya, but there's a foul. Foul on number 8, Castillo. First personal foul, third team foul. Baliktad, ano ba? Third personal pala. First team foul. Edison, take to number 27. Brazil, is a pushing foul. There's a pushing foul on number 27 of Blue. Second team foul. Remaining time is 7 minutes and 53 seconds. 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Our score is still 52-51. Lead by 1. Briones. What a shot by number 21.
Sasap sa kanila.
Delayon to Buray. Last 30. Delayon to Buray. Crossover moves. Almost losing the ball. Edison, tala. Paris. Mabut. Block. One defense by number 23, Buray. Substitution.
Selisa out. Selisa out. Sub.
Sub. Out number 37 coming in, Mr. Bruno. Tocadona, right here. Fires, there's up. In and out. Tutunaya to Bruno, fires, shot this time. Let's do the double technical. There's the double technical between number 7 of blue and number 8 of yellow. Chamber po tayo is available. Laro lang. Remaining time 6 minutes and 35 seconds. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Castillo, Torremo, Natalie Pinera, fake, to the left, touchdown. Visit by here, Carpio, 4-3, Mago, dalawa kayo, Carpio, that's it, pass, Mago. Block, Cardona to Biray, goes over moves. Pass, impact, traveling. Timeout, Unity. Back to the ball game. Our score is 54-51 in favor of the Briones Real Estate Group. Bowling number 28 to number 9, Carpio. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Carpio to Nidea. On the blue point area, pass. No good, you want to fire. To Cardona. To Buray. To Buray. Kaya ni Buray. Ready for fire. Too strong. One leg Buray. Fire. No good. Busy by number 28. Number 28 to Buray. No good. Very good. Bruna. To Kabaya. To Buray. Wait. Request lap! What a goal by Bifo! My touch! Matcha ball! Idea! To the Leon! Foul! Foul on number 11 of blue! Cardona! How many? First personal foul! 14 foul! 14 foul! 14 foul!
Substitution,
Biray out. Mabibiray na dyan. Still remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Good shot. For De Leon for the second round. Good again. Number 13. Good again, setting the play. Number 13. Fires in and out. Medyo inaalat na ngayon. Ang blue. Nidea. Lopez. De Leon. Tapu! 8.3 by De Leon. Cardona. To Bruno. Foul. Foul on number 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Time out, Briones. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Our score, 59-51 in favor of Briones. Mahaba pa yan, para sa 8.
Penalty na.
Ha?
Di ba? Tatlo pa lang.
Back to the ball game. Our referee for today, Mr. Jeff and Mr. John Lapis. John. Cobra, back to episode number 2. Lumang na number 13. Quick. Tumaya, maya po episode number 5. Nagumagaling. Easy basket for number 6 na IU. 10-point lead na po, lumaki na, lumubo na lang malaki. Number 2 by pressure. To number 10, kaboom! Yeah! What a play by number 28. Suna. 40. Negative time. Foul. Sorry. Time out. Blue. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Our score is 64-51. 64-51. Penalty na po ang blue. Penalty na rin kayo, ha? Penalty na rin, ha, coach? Penalty na ang blue, ha? Oo, penalty tayo. Penalty. Kasi 4 kanina eh. Dalawa, at the field throw area. For the first try. Yes! Yes, for Dalawa. Ha? Oh, gusto mo boss. Cardona. Oh, mas busy ka po. Cardona. There's a pushing foul by number 6. Ayu. Ilang foul? 40 foul. 1-4 penalty. Oh my goodness. Miscommunication. Miscommunication na po. Ang blue natataranta. Relax. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by Briones Real Estate Group. Number 6 Nayi at the middle. To Cobra. Late up. Easy basket. What a play by Cobra. Left touch by Yellow. Lopez. Substitution. Easy basket. 68-53, 15-point lead. 15 po, 15 naman, 15. 15, Padilla. Padilla, Tanadea, back to Nadea. The leader of the group. Back to, Arce. To Castillo. To Padilla. Using the ball. Yes. What a play! 17-23. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Durai, number 18. Follow-up shot, goal. Time out. Briones, our third game. Alex Tumang versus PPF. Alex Tumang versus PPF. Be ready na po kayo at 1 minute na lang at 17 segundo. 17 segundo.
Nag-order ako.
Back to the venue. Arce arrest by Bruna. Oh, a foul. Foul. Sorry, Arce. Oh, sorry. Part of game. Penalty, red, penalty. Ganyan ang magkalaban. Nagkakaroon ng sorry sa bawat isa. For the first try. No good this time. For the second try. Kaboom. Edison to Cardona. 1 minute. Edison again. To the right. Let's pass to the game. Give to the red line, to the Dea. Setting the play. Give to number 20. Pass. Kaboom. Yes, Barumoto. Wala pa rin. Seconds to go. 38 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. Conceded by the referee. Congratulations, Briones. Real State Group. Wow, yan. Ganyan ang player. Nagsisoryahan sa bawat isa. Yan. Part of game lang yan.